MacBookFixDubai provides the quickest on-site repair services for broken MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Pro, Mac Mini, iPad, laptop, notebook, tablet, and more. We offer the following free services in Dubai, UAE. 1. Free MacBook Checkup. 2. Free MacBook Pickup. 3. Free MacBook Delivery. 4. Free help over the phone. We tackle software and hardware issues with MacBooks at the chip level. MacBookFixDubai provides a variety of services, including keyboard repair, screen repair, trackpad repair, fan repair, HDMI port repair, power port repair, body and hinge repair, camera replacement, DVD replacement, motherboard repair, SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, data retrieval, OS installation, software installation, and yearly maintenance services. You can get quick and effective services with only one phone call or WhatsApp at 0529314080.